This week I want to talk to you about ink. Now, some of the purists out there will feel that if you're painting in watercolour you shouldn't use different mediums, you shouldn't mix things around. But I think ink works very, very well with watercolour because it gives a really strong contrast, and also it's actually really lovely to paint with. What we're doing today is basically just playing around with ink and just getting the feel of it, and then you'll be able to maybe have an idea how you can put it into your pictures. You can use any sort of ink, India ink, drawing ink, just cheap ink that you buy in, I don't know, pound shop, wherever. But this week I'm specifically using Quink ink. Now, I really love Quink ink. It's manufactured by Parker, and they developed it specifically for the Parker pens that they produce, and the idea was that it would work well without drying up inside. So the formulation is quite interesting, but also the pigment itself. It tends to separate out into different colours, which can be very interesting. So I've done a couple of things today. Firstly, I'm just playing about with the Quink ink to see what it does on the watercolour paper. But then what I did was inked up a piece of paper so it was totally dark, and started painting with bleach. I don't really like the smell of bleach, so I actually used baby sterilising fluid, but any household bleach will do. Have a look here and see how I got on. I think you'll agree this is a really interesting effect, and I can't wait to see what you make of it. Send your pictures to me and I'll put them in a gallery. Please like and subscribe. Oh, and thank you so much for your very kind donations, and I'll see you next time.